If you've been looking for a way to keep your curls less frizzy, more defined, and lasting longer, then you're watching the right video, because today I'm going to be showing you how I've been keeping my curls looking fabulous with a hair clay. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new here, and I make style and hair related videos every single week here on YouTube. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back. So today we are talking about hair curling. If you are brand new here, I've been growing my hair out for over a year now, and my favorite thing to do is play with my curls. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did a video about a wash and go routine with my friend Mike, and it actually was really cool. Wash and goes have been great for, especially for dry frizzy hair types like mine. It defined my curls a lot better and it kept it moisturized. So in terms of products for wash and goes, there was 3 products that I used. There was the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, which I'm kind of a fan, not really, it's not my favorite thing. There was also the Shea Moisture styling lotion. And there was also the Jane Carter solution, right? And all 3 of these products mixed together made a really good curl combination. However, I wasn't too much of a fan of the flaxseed gel, and I thought, how can I make this a little bit different? And in my curiosity, I was like, well, I've got hair clays, and I know hair clays are great for adding texture, a bit of body. I thought I would add in the Cavalier clay first to see if it would help define my curls. It did indeed work, because the Cavalier clay is a solid hold product. You know, it really gave the curls like that definition. However, because it's such a hard hold product, they were very stiff and they weren't bouncy and beautiful like the ones I have today. And then I thought about it a little bit more and I went, hang on a minute. Hybrid cream clay is probably the best thing for this because A, it's a cream, it's easy to apply, it could probably mesh with the styling lotion and the Jane Carter solution very well. But not only that, it has the clay properties as well that are going to give me nice texture. The other thing on top of it was the hybrid cream clay has a delayed hold activation in it, which means once you've put it on the hair, it actually starts to set within 15 minutes afterwards. It's designed like that. So by rights, I thought, well, if I apply this to wet curls, while my curls are drying, the delayed hold activation will hold them in place and hopefully decrease frizz, which is exactly what you're seeing right now. So now I finally found something that actually works for me. There is a process to it, obviously, like every hair routine that I do. You don't need every single product in this range. The products that I'm using here today are just pretty much because I have such dry hair. If your hair's not on the drier side, you can probably get away without using, the Shea Moisture, because this one really is for moisturizing. But essentially, what I do to get these curls rocking is I'll start off with a leave-in cream, my Behave leave-in cream. It's my Old Faithful. I pretty much use it every single day. And then once I've applied that, I will part my hair down the middle. So I do this in 2 sections. I'll part it on this side, part it on that side, and then I will merge all 3 of these products together. So a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit of the Jane Carter solution. You don't want too much of this because if you use too much, it gets very oily. And then I'll put the Shea Moisture, and then I'll put a lump of my hybrid cream clay. Once all of it's on my palm, I'll just mix it all together and then add it to my section of hair and then do the same on the other side. And then all you have to do is let it air dry, and then you get this. And that's pretty much as easy as it needs to be. Like literally, you could probably get away with this with just a leave-in conditioner and the clay. Hybrid cream clay is probably your best bet, simply because of the delayed hold activation, the texturizing properties, and the easiness of application. It's really, really all-in-one product. And it's pretty much as simple as that. I never thought like a clay was gonna work so well for my hair. I did used to think that hair clays were just for people with short, quiffy hairstyles that wanted to make it look real swish. But I've actually defied that, and now you can as well. And I just really wanted to bring that and share that with you today. It's going to be great for people with waves. If you've got waves that kind of like frizz out all the time, or you've got real curls like I do, I would definitely suggest doing something like this. You don't need all the products that I've used. I would probably at minimum use like a leave-in conditioner and the cream clay. That's probably your best bet, and trust me, you will see a difference. And if any of you do try this out as well, please make sure you let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always keen to hear about it, and yeah, I want to know more. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to hear about your rocking curls. I do have a Facebook group as well for anybody that's brand new. It's called Hairstyles in Action, and what we do in there, we just kind of encourage each other to have better hair and stick through the growing out process. So if that's something that you're into, please make sure you visit that, and I'll see you next week for another video. See you later.